Okay, Daniel, I've got a little demonstration video here for you of the circuit that is going to move your pilot head. The circuit just plugs into your receiver in whatever way you can do, whatever is most convenient. If you have a spare channel, you can plug it in a spare channel. If you don't, you can Y off of any channel that's being used for any other purpose, because the circuit doesn't require a signal from the receiver to activate. I think if I understood what you wanted correctly, that's what you wanted. You don't have to turn it on and off from the transmitter or anything. As soon as the receiver comes on, it will start generating these random signals that are necessary for it to produce the pilot head movement. Now, this is the servo that's connected to it, and the whole idea behind this circuit is that it produces random, completely random movements. There are actually 3 random numbers it generates. One determines the direction that the servo moves. The other one determines how quickly. Sometimes you'll see the servo snaps around, sometimes it moves rather slowly. And then the third number determines how far the servo moves. So sometimes it just moves just a little, and sometimes you can see that it travels a good bit. I've tried to limit the range so that he won't look like something from Poltergeist, where his head's turning around and around like he's possessed or something. But I think you can see that the movement of the servo is very random and very erratic, and I hope it will be what you need. I think it'll look really neat on a pilot figure myself, and I'd love to have some videos of it. If you decide this is what you want and you order a couple of these, I'd love to have some videos to put on my website, because I think I'm going to make this an item that I offer from here on, because I know there are a lot of guys out there that either have or want pilots with heads that move, and this is a really good way to do it. It doesn't make it work with the rudder, but rather makes it a much more lifelike movement. So I'm going to post this to YouTube and send you the link and let you look at it and see what you think, and if you like it, then I've got the one built, and I can build you another one in just a few minutes, and I'll get them on the way to you. Thank you, Daniel.